Oh, but you quick, oh.
Nduka, why do you begin smoking, bro?
Now today they smoke. Why they do like smoking?
Jesus!
What the police they do for moto?
Nduka, I don't download the pay right app, oh. Now them pay me and police, say we dey go Bayelsa.
So they do go away. Shh! Shut up!
Hey!
We they going way.
But you!
We they go
our way.
Oh my!
It's OBIKING and welcome back to another episode of my comedy reaction. For those who are coming across my channel for the very first time, I make comedy reactions. I make reactions on comedy videos by Nigerian comedians. Sabinus, Talkless, Sydney Talker, all those people, you know them. I make a compilation of their videos and I present them to you. You understand? So what you just have to do is to sit back and make sure you share this video, because I don't want to make it be seen and only you go to laugh. So make sure to share this video, drop these nice comments, and if you're yet to subscribe, please make sure to subscribe. Without saying much, let's go have some fun.
Okay, you are under arrest. Now they come for this street every night. They see Abi. This I no go catch you today.
Oga, no be me.
No be you. If we reach for station, you explain.
Oga, I say no be me.
No be you.
You catch police.
Which one be say no be you? I know.
See, na Sergeant Davewink, na.
Okay, Sergeant.
Esprit de con, leave me first. Which kind of thing be this? I don't tell DPO, make them know they carry me and you come beat me sometime.
You know, sir. Anytime we
if I say they give you gun now, so you supposed to shoot me inside the teeth.
You know, say anytime we song come out, just leave the work, man. They do. I beg.
I dey talk. I never see any Abino wey enter police force.
Beg,
they tell me say you dey different. Say you come office, your color change.
Are you whining yourself?
How police go there arrest police? Shaggy.
Yeah, it's a letter.
Steve! I no get.
You don't get what
I no get. Calm down, though. You know what I go ask for.
I said I no get. Not you won't ask me for this life. I no get.
Just ordinary toothpaste I need now.
If I give you this toothpaste, no come here. I don't want to see you here again.
You wish like that. I offend you.
Oh, no, sorry. One quarter from my hand.
I'll never be broke in my life.
I'll never be broke in my life.
Thank you. You come here again, no. Because I'm this funny.
Let's go. I can't come out for
Mumu,
Madam.
what's going on here?
Mama.
Oh, my son.
Now your husband push you come out for her.
My husband, my landlord threw my load outside. He said we don't pay rent.
Your landlord.
Landlord.
Now you pack all your load outside like this.
He threw my load outside.
Wait, mama, calm down. As you dey cry like this, man, I don't like to see old man. He give you quick notice.
He don't give me quick notice.
Okay. You do all this Lagos, and I know go give you quick notice. Pack all your load. Mama, you know what you? Me as I did like this, I be woman like that. That boy. Now me.
But yeah.
Shaggy, Shaggy, put this one there. I don't want to see this woman in my house again.
We have to know.
Shaggy.
Okay. Now you get this house.
They play.
This is my fourth house, okay?
Okay, now you send me the pack at this.
Do you want to join us so that you become homeless?
God for me.
My brother.
My mother.
I thought you said a human rights activist.
You never said
do something.
Do maybe. Ask him, ma. Maybe you get family and friends.
Yes.
Go and sleep in your place tonight. Thank you, ma. Okay, now see you later.
Shaggy, go.
Run.
I didn't want to see you before.
Jesus.
Okay, I don't want to see you before.
Where's my house rent? Since January, Chinedu. You know what I want to tell you? Don't go back to that house again. Somebody has paid. Even his parking in.
Okay, I no, say my property inside the house.
You don't hear yourself.
The property.
Go bring water come for yourself.
You get one.
Okay, now.
You see, no go there again.
Human rights activist. Mumu. This guy no get one sense. Shaggy. Hey, you never see brush, you. You never still brush. You still wearing brush for hand.
Mommy.
Daddy.
Okay.
You say you get family and friends when you want to go stay their place tonight.
Yes.
I beg at least squat.
Chineke papa go.
Thank you. You be Mumu.
You be Mumu.
Nduka.
Doctor, please
Nduka.
now. What does the test result say?
Nduka. From your test results here,
I have a bad news and a worse news for you.
Hey! Bad news,
so
worse
which of
news.
them should I tell you first?
Well, start with the bad news. Start there.
Let's have it.
I'm sorry, but the bad news is that you have less than 12 hours to live on planet Earth.
Hey!
Jesus! I'm sorry. I did everything I could.
What's it gonna be in sickness now? Tell us.
Don't let them, my wife. Anyway, let me just rush to the family house and share my property before it will cause violence when I'm dead.
Hey,
the worst news, Uncle.
I've not told you the worst news now.
What can be worse than what you just told me? No! What can be worse than what...
The worst news is that this thing I just told you now, I was supposed to tell you by this time yesterday. I forgot.
Festus! Festus!
So now you go there.
Festus!
Mama go there. Oh yeah, bye. You don't buy. Nasty.
I beg, why don't you go?
No smoke or your hair no figure.
Long detox for smokers. Since you smoke a lot, my brother, you will need this to cleanse your system. It will help you cleanse your system if it does this.
Steadily.
I'm a piano.
What the this? You never see her.
Hey, now for swimming pool there. Okay.
You Abi.
Jesus.
You go soon need this thing.
Are you mad? It's my toss. You know me before.
Please forgive me. I want us back.
Anita, I've warned you. I don't have anything to do with you. Don't you understand?
It's your broke, stupid ego. I'm even begging you, self.
I mean, they talk to you like that. You know, grace. Come on, I want this guy to go beat him.
I thought me and you.
I see my God, I go beat this guy. This guy talk to me now. I go beat this guy.
Alpha, what do you put inside that brownie?
What if it is? What if it is?
Loud. Igbo. Jamaica loud.
You are a small girl, but you are very dangerous from what I see.
Talk that thing again.
I wish your bank account is as loud as you.
Nobody did here now. Nobody did here now.
I love you, I love you. You the Chris, are you blind? Bros, I beg, no verse, I beg. What's the worry this man now?
Jesus.
I will tell you that money stops nonsense.
Money stops nonsense, bro. I will never be broke in my life. Oh, you don't become a bouncer.
Jesus.
You don't become a bouncer. Because of money we give.
What I do with my life.
Guys, Kiss Daniel and his bouncer.
What I do with my money. If I go broke, I go container. Okay, thanks for your concern. I can manage it. Touchdown being boys game.
Now because I said that time when I was small, you they help me. If not, you too old for this HKO. You too old to run. But we'll help you.
Thank you, my son.
Your phone they ring. Who they call you?
Nah, my wife, my son.
Tell truth. You don't marry?
Yes, I do. 3 children.
You never make any rush go marry. You born. You get married though. Pick her now. Wait till they phone you. These days can no big. Pick your call.
Mama Priceless.
Shaggy, you say if you don't reach Lagos, you go collect ATM, send us money.
They don't stop to they use ATM for Lagos. Now inside traffic I did for 8 hours like this, Mama. Hey, they want jam my motor, Mama Priceless. I beg, make I call you back.
Jesus.
Oh, this one a professional liar.
Guys, you good. Now people like you we need for this HK.
Oh,
liars. We don't need trustworthy people. Come on. Sit down.
This one Sabi lie, bro.
Sabi am.
Can I enter that room, teacher?
Almost see lie.
5 million. Old man collector, enter my house. This is the day HK. My perfume is just display waka. See your mate. Daddy. Well done, I'm so proud of you.
Thank you, my son.
Congratulations. But daddy, why you gonna carry Ghana must go now? Where you dey go?
My son, daddy, go village now.
But daddy, you know say you get grace. We no go feel let you go like that now. When our grace don't finish, you go lock down, make it no escape.
Okay, boss.
You collect a bank.
Hey, they don't have a come again.
You slap senior boy.
Mommy, see.
Small. This man go give me slap for my house. Your phone is ring.
Come pick up.
Why they call you pick up?
Hello, Mama Priceless.
Hello?
You no go believe say we still inside that traffic.
Oh man.
Get her to drive. So we dey teach am. Come on, level break. I'm break. Macha. Jesus.
Oh man, this one they laugh.
You know they come up for this age.
Oh man, you got the lie, man.
Kiriku, innocent face.
Kiriku and Bado.
Sir.
How are you?
Sir.
Okay. I dey come out like this. If una no say no go come out for us, make sure you drop key for under this carpet.
Okay.
I don't want you drop the key for under this carpet.
Okay.
And they come and visit on later. You dey hear me so?
Now woman you want go carry come?
You see wetin?
We are hungry.
Which hungry? Una mate the hot pure water dey bring money come out. Una want to dey shop anyhow. Jesus.
You not to the wakale come for to 30 pockets.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know like me they give am stress. Kiriku no dey
I'm not saying a woman they will carry come.
Small boy with a big man sense. You know like me they give am stress. Oh, Kiriku no dey take nonsense. You. Small boy.
They don't keep you.
No, baby, calm down. There's no problem.
It's like you could explain tire.
There's no problem. Baby, come on.
They don't carry key come out.
Hey, these boys don't kill me, yo. Yeah, kill now, man.
He's back. He's better.
Hey! Me, your future never be bright.
What do you do?
I said my future don't go feel bright again for waiting don't do me so.
What do you do now?
Wait.
Oh, I can't have everybody that if no cut you for was. What do the horrible thief said?
Where the key now? Where? Give me key.
Working. If I get up for that place, no go take shit.
Jesus!
Ow! No, see, I know where trousers. The key that's in my pocket. As my for sure, she no quick me to wear. Now I don't leave on.
Hell! Jesus. The place far. Where be the place?
If I will.
No, they go the place. Come show me.
You see the man with shoes, you know, like.
Make me they go there.
Okay. Hey! Two of you are the small rats that open that nyash to shit that big shit. This morning I try to take shit that big shit. Instead of me to harvest cassava, now shit I dey harvest.
Now so I carry come.
Yes. Shit! Mona follow me. Two of you. Halele.
Where does sir? See, I beg, you fit carry them go. But that nika, I beg, that nika is very important.
Get the point.
My friend, who are you?
I think that nika is very important.
My friend, Asabek, who are you?
I'm their uncle.
Your uncle.
Yes. Why I carry the uncle?
Come now.
Okay, thank you very much.
You go follow me, go pack shit.
Come, follow you go where?
You they go pack that shit.
Shit?
Mama! What are you doing here? I thought you are in school.
Yes, but I've been doing school.
So you are the bastard! I've been following my sister around. No!
My name is no bastard, though.
Today, I will deal with you.
My name is not a bastard.
You don't enter Wahala.
Hey, Kiriku!
I bet shift. You say why you go for Kiriku?
No, no, Abuja boys. Man.
Hello, how are you?
I'm not fine.
What happened?
I'm hungry.
Okay, hold on.
Wire.
I just sent you 50,000 naira. Go and eat.
Very good.
Oh.
Right.
Aww. Yibo boy.
Hello, babe. How far now?
I'm not fine. I'm not fine.
What's happened?
I've not eaten since morning.
Hey! You don't enter.
Okay, yeah, wait. Just give me 5 minutes here.
Okay, you go buy a corn for us.
Thank you. Wow, my favorite. I I'll see you later. Bye-bye.
Because my baby is my life. I can kill myself. I can
No be like this boy say they do abeg. Na lie. Guess the people. Many boys.
Babe, how you dey now?
I'm not fine.
Wetin happen? Anybody beat you?
No.
Anybody find your trouble?
No.
Wetin can happen?
I'm hungry.
Okay.
I've not eaten since.
Ouch! Babe, why you dey do me like this now? Yeah? Why you dey treat me like this? Why you dey after my own life? Why you dey after my life? Okay. Enter house. Find something make you chop. You know, say if you never chop like this, I fit die.
Shut up your mouth.
I be want make I die.
What's this?
Babe, you just manage it now.
You sent me 3,000 to do what?
For your upkeep now.
Which rubbish upkeep? You sent me 3,000 naira.
Babe, please now, just manage the 3K now.
Manage what? Send your account number, let me send you back your money.
Babe, please.
Send your account number, let me send you back your money, Jare. Broke boy.
Please.
Shut up!
Babe.
Thanks.
Babe. Send and give him back now. Which kind of thing to be this one?
Please.
Please for what?
Please.
Why are you begging me now? I'm forgiving you now.
You are forgiving me.
I'm forgiving you, yes now.
Thank you, baby. Thank you. Please.
Please for what?
Babe, please.
Please what?
No, the 3K now. Lisa should send my account number. You want to refund the 3K?
You mean you actually sent me the account number to send you back 3K?
Yes, now check your WhatsApp. You see that I should send it now.
Why? I forgot my gun.
Okay. Fine. Send me 1.5.
1.5 for what? Where did you see the money?
I've already buy fish pie because I'm hungry. I need to pay the person.
Can you?
No. Some people do it wrong.
Get that guy with the trend.
Nduka, anywhere you see Nduka. Trouble day, anywhere you see Nduka. You not degree,
Alright, thank you.
Okay now. Take care.
See, Kebe.
Nduka. What is it? You get my Nduka. You carry person you know from Benin, come Port Harcourt with your motor. No, they pay me an amo. Don't tell me say you don't they carry this your car, they carry passenger for road though. Man, I tell you my brother, I they use pay ride even as a private car owner. It is very good for people because they bear two people together where they go the same destination. And why the sweet pass now for long distance journey? Imagine so they go Enugu next week. If you own your pay ride, schedule and say go travel by next week. They go pay you and person will get plan to travel go Enugu the same week. That means you go travel with person, still make money in the process than to the bundle your fuel with your own money. Serious? It is very good for private car owners like me. Okay. I bet like you may go buy fuel, eh? Okay. How much you? Buy 5,000 own.
Nduka.
You sure say you no go carry another person come out?
Nduka, anywhere you see Nduka. Trouble day, anywhere you see Nduka.
But you quick, oh. Nduka, why the biggest smoke you go? Now today they smoke. Why do you do like smoke again? Jesus! What the police they do for moto? Nduka, I don't download the pay right app. I them pay me and police say we go buy us. So they go one. Shut up. Hey! We they going away. But you they go our way. Oh my God! You hold your phone there. Yeah, hold my phone. Call my mama.
Call my mama.
Call my mama. Tell her say the don't hold second to last born. Call my mama. Sorry. Bro, it's the first time, bro.
My God. The Belgian police. Where police no say they go. No be only.
You are already a burial ground.
You are already a burial ground.
Papa, Jack. Archie, you get one secret I want to tell you. So I don't know if you go feel keep secret, but you no go tell anybody. Tell me, man. No go tell anybody.
Let me catch you that. Okay, let me keep secrets. Okay, he let the cat out of the bag. Yeah, something like that.
Hey! Young man.
Wait till they worry this one. Who will be this one?
I nearly choke.
That woman I used to say,
Meat pie, you people's get. She don't know how to do meat pie. Sorry, don't have to drink. Sorry, collect the money from my salary. It's my saving. My saving.
This one rude though.
So you are here for the interview?
No. I'm from my house and wear my mafia suit and dress up and rub perfume and come here. Let me come and drink this thing.
All right, I'm going to ask you some questions. If you get the questions right, you'll be employed. If you don't get the questions right...
Don't worry, I got it right. I'm not loaded like you.
Sorry?
Sorry for yourself.
Which kind of rude person be this one?
What is the easiest way to send money from US, UK, and Canada to Africa?
Wi-Fi.
Sorry?
Len-Fi, Olodo, Len-Fi.
Next question. In summary,
Len-Fi.
What is Len-Fi?
Len-Fi. Len-Fi is an app and the most reliable way that you can use to transfer money from US, UK, and Canada to African countries like Nigeria, Tanzania, Cameroon, Benin, Ghana. Enough. Don't interrupt me. Stop that rubbish. Stop it. See, if you sign up on Len-Fi with my promo code or referral code MAC, then you are going to get $30 cashback if you send money that is up to $100 and above.
And above.
The referral code is MAC. What did I say?
You said the referral code is MAC.
Like Angel Comedy.
What makes Len-Fi the best?
Len-Fi is very easy to use. They have the best rate and they are very, very reliable. They are more reliable than your receptionist fees. Hey! It doesn't have sense. You carry the ugly one and put outside, I carry the fine one and put here. Don't worry. When they employ me, I will make some changes.
Who is employing you? Nobody they employ you, okay?
Where can you download Len-Fi app?
In your mother kitchen, inside your mother board.
Out of me and you! Who is this madman?
No, before, where did I used to download app?
Is it not Google Play Store and App Store?
You know you can ask me.
Hey! It's alright. Young man, this is the last question. If you get it right, you get the job. But if you don't,
I'm not a loader like you. Oh, it's like if people paint this. It's not original. Paint is painting somebody. Bring it on.
Recite the new Nigerian national anthem.
National anthem. If I hear.
The new Nigerian national anthem, recite it.
If I hear, say it's Sabia.
Mr. Len-Fi. Referral code MAC. $30 cashback.
They can send more than $100.
Come back here.
You know Sabia second national anthem.
Thank you, sir. It's finished.
It's finished. This guy no good.
Just wait.
Jesus.
Oh, Papa, your rent is overdue. Come say you can't pay me. Oh, daddy, last so. I'm bringing you tenant. Very good. Okay. Home say you don't tell us that the 1 rupako I get. Now 12 zero collect. Jesus! Oh, guy, not too cost. You don't forget how much I rent that 1 rupako. Now 7.5 billion, no.
Jesus.
Okay? Kí ṣe tó pé mo ti mú fẹ́rẹ̀ tí lè ṣe kí wàá tọ́ fèsì lẹ́mi lórí o. Rárá o, mi ò sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ o.
Shut up your dirty mouth. Which kind of language they speak? Tell us if you don't want it, may get her. Keep that aside, landlord. Why not assign your budget? Mr. Man, wait up your budget.
Na favori atene sir.
Yeah.
Everybody shot.
Now to divide brokers into two. 50-50.
Wow. Some people too do.
Which kind of nonsense comedy with this one? This guy when they try imitate Katayefe. But anyway, it's good. At least the more he keeps doing it, the better he will get. Thanks for sticking to the very end. I hope you liked it. If you're coming across my channel for the very first time, like I always say, make sure to subscribe to my channel. It's very important. One, for your own enjoyment, and secondly, for the growth of my own channel. And make sure to drop nice comments, guys. Share this video, is very important. And you can as well check out my other videos. There's so many videos on my channel. You can see one on the screen right now. So check them out. See you in the next one, guys. Love and peace.